Hey guys, Calvin here. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make 3-in soup dumplings at home. You can hardly eat this bun without a straw because it's crazily juicy, and this is the most attractive feature to people. And once you mastered how to make it, you can use different stuffing. You can use vegetables, mushrooms, pork, beef, anything you like. It's also beginner-friendly recipe because I've found a super easy way to make it. Okay, let's get started straight away. First, I'm gonna work on our dough. Here are the ingredients we are gonna need for this step. One teaspoon sugar into 1¼ cup of warm water. Get that a little mix. Add 1 teaspoon of yeast and leave it alone for about 10 minutes until the yeast activates. When your yeast is forming bubbles at the top of the water, that means it's done. Find a big bowl and add 3 cups of flour. Take your water with the yeast. Mix a little bit at one time and stir it in one direction. Now get your hand in there and start kneading the dough. You're gonna knead your dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth on the surface. Make sure you put the dough in a big enough container because it's gonna expand twice in size, and cover that in plastic wrap, and we are gonna find some place warm to store this for about an hour and a half. While we wait for the dough to rise, let's prepare our filling. In restaurants, chefs strictly cut the pork into 0.2 by 0.2 inches or 5 by 5 millimeters. You could also cut the pork into a bit bigger cubes, like I do to save time. Do the same thing to the chicken breast and the shiitake. Now we've got our 3-in ready for use. Add them to a mixing bowl. Add chopped spring onion, sesame oil, cooking wine, light and dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, white pepper, salt and finely chopped ginger. Give the mixture a deep massage. Add ½ cup of chicken soup or water. Do another massage until the meat absorbs the water or soup. Cover it in plastic wrap and store it in freezer for about half an hour. It seems the dough is done. You see it's way bigger now and I have small holes in there, but we are gonna give it a big one like this. And it doesn't rebound, which means the dough is ready to go. Splash some flour on the worktop in case the dough sticks to it. Knead the dough a couple more times to get rid of all air pockets. And then slice half for easy use. Wrap one and take the other. It doesn't matter you wrote it out in this way or in your own. Now we are gonna cut this into 6 even chunks. Grab one, give it a squish, and just make it as flat as possible. Take your rolling pin and hold your dough, roll it and spin, roll it and spin. We are gonna roll it until it's about hand palm size. It doesn't matter if you can't have a perfectly round shape. Put 2 tablespoons of filling. Now in here, I'm only gonna show you the easiest way to wrap the buns. just use 2 fingers to fold one corner a bit and squeeze. Use the other hand to help push the dough over into the fold. Repeat this until the last fold. Twist it to make the hole on top of the bun. Then put it on top of the parchment paper and lay it inside my bamboo tub here. And add some hot water in the steamer. Sit the dumplings on top and just let them grow bigger there for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, bring the water to a boil and cook the dumplings for about 20 minutes. Then leave the lid on for another 5 minutes after turning the fire off. Otherwise, the dumplings are gonna sag. Time's up. Now the only thing left is just enjoy your juicy fluffy dumplings. Remember to get a straw before eating and don't get burned because the dumplings are still hot. Alright, that's it. I'm Calvin, restaurant recipe sharer, and I will see you in the next video.